Okay, I brought out my camcorder here, and I have plugged in or set up my Dux gramophone here again, record player, and I thought, let's see if the microphone in this camcorder likes this record player a bit better. So I thought we'd try to film a bit and listen to well, what it sounds like. I brought out an LP here. It's Al Cooper's Savoy Sultans, Jumping at the Savoy, recordings between 1938 and 41. So let's see if we can make this. I don't know if you can hear, but it sounds quite good. I got the speakers up here. Track we'll listen to is Jump in the Blues, recorded in New York, October 16, 1939.